Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into one of the rarest, fastest, and most luxurious machines ever built, the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome Camper. This isn't just an RV. It's a rolling hypercar mansion, handcrafted for the ultra-elite. With only 10 units being made globally, this $5 million masterpiece fuses Bugatti's signature design, brutal power, and cutting-edge tech into a mobile experience that has no rival on the road. Visually, the Bugatti Motorhome looks like it belongs on a runway, not a campground. It features a sculpted titanium carbon body finished in deep gloss clear coat, with the signature horseshoe grille, full-width laser LED lighting, and active aero vents that reshape the vehicle while driving. The lines are aggressive yet elegant, giving it the stance of a track monster and the grace of a private jet. It rides on massive 27-inch forged wheels with adaptive suspension that hugs every curve of the road. Every angle screams speed, status, and exclusivity. Inside, the experience shifts from supercar to supersuite. The lounge space is wrapped in French-stitched leather and polished carbon fiber. The floors are inlaid with custom wood from Alsace, while the seating features built-in massage, heating, and cooling. A floating touchscreen rises from the console, offering full control over lighting, sound, temperature, and entertainment. The panoramic ceiling dims automatically based on light, and ambient lighting follows you through the cabin like a luxury hotel suite. The kitchen is tucked away behind powered glass panels, revealing an induction cooking setup, dual temperature, wine storage, and compact appliances trimmed in brushed aluminum. The rear suite feels more like a penthouse than a camper, with a floating king-size bed, smart glass walls that shift from transparent to opaque, and a ceiling display that mimics the night sky of Mosheim. The bathroom is spa-inspired, with a marble-clad rainfall shower, gold fixtures, and an intelligent water recycling system designed for extended off-grid luxury. Under the shell, performance is everything you'd expect from Bugatti. The W16 quad-turbo engine has been hybridized, combining electric torque with brutal combustion power for a total of 1,250 horsepower. Despite its size, this monster hits 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. The all-wheel drive system, active torque, vectoring, and predictive eye suspension tuning deliver hypercar dynamics in a vehicle built to live in. Regenerative braking and EV-only modes are also available for urban cruising. At $5 million, you're not just buying a camper, you're buying a Bugatti, personalized through the Sur Mesure program. Would you hit the open road with this $5 million masterpiece, or preserve it as a collector's crown jewel? Drop your thoughts below. And if you want more rare machines like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell right here on Future Drive.